Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below, and the black appearance package, giving you blacked out rims, badges, trim, and I believe the interior as well, but let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and then you have a 110-volt power outlet with two USBs. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your truck. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. And then you have your fuel economy separately, truck info such as power distribution, driver assistance features and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your hazards and then your media controls, as well as your climate controls physically with dual zone front climate again, as well as your heated front seats so you can stay warm. And you have two 12-volt power outlets and two USBs so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have some other controls here such as your locking rear differential, tow haul mode, and traction control shutoff. You've got your 4x4 shifter, and then your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.